Hi, this is Haritima Keswani and you are watching Cook Fit with Haritima. Today I will be making the most popular and searched dish, butter garlic shrimps. You can prepare this recipe under 15 minutes and serve this as a starter or a side dish. So let's get started. To make butter garlic shrimps or prawns, take a pan and add 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil in it. Then add prawns or shrimp to the pan. Mix the shrimps well. Now it generally takes approximately 4 to 5 minutes to cook these prawns or shrimps. So whichever is available with you, either shrimp or prawn, you can use in this recipe. Now I will add garlic to it. Here I have taken approximately 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. Then to enhance the flavor, I will add garlic greens. Now here if you don't have garlic greens, don't worry, you can even add some spring onions to it. Even that will enhance the flavor. Next, we will add 2 teaspoons of butter to it. Once you have added butter, reduce the flame and mix the prawn well. Next, add salt as per your taste, a teaspoon of pepper and a bit of chili flakes. Now all these 3 things should be as per your taste. You can increase or decrease the quantity as per your liking. Once it is added, mix the prawn well and then add 2 to 3 teaspoons of lemon juice. So here I have squeezed 1 lemon to extract 2 to 3 teaspoons of the juice. Next, add coriander leaves to it. Mix it well. Now after this we will prepare a cornstarch slurry where I will take 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and add a bit of water to it. Then mix it well and add some 1 to 2 teaspoons of this slurry in my pan. Next, I will also add a bit of water to the pan and then mix it well. Once it is cooked for 2 to 3 minutes, I will switch off the flame. Let's start doing the plating. Now after putting the prawns or shrimps on the plate, I will add some spring onions to it and then there will be some bit of butter garlic sauce or gravy left in the pan, so I will add that on the top of each prawn or shrimp. And voila, my prawns are ready. Let me garnish it with a bit of chili on it and it's ready to serve. Look at this. This is heaven. Yum. Try this recipe and let me know how was it for you. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon. See you. Bye-bye.